In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the Instagram chat draw doodle option not showing. The very first thing you want to do is check for app updates. Close this, launch App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next thing you want to do is launch it and check whether the option is available or not. If it is not available, you can log out and log in back to your account. This might fix temporary glitches. Next thing you want to do is completely delete Instagram app from your device and reinstall it. Press and hold on the Instagram app, select the option remove app, click on delete app and click on delete. Then launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram and install it. If none of these solutions work, you can contact Instagram support team. For that, launch your Instagram app, navigate to the profile page, click on three bars, scroll down, head over to the option help, click on help and support. Now go ahead and contact Instagram support team. And that's it. These are some fixes for Instagram chat draw doodle option not showing. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.